In this section we are discussing the application request sets. So here, if you run this application request, it will show you all the application names and various request sets in the application name. So here, if you see advanced supply chain planning ASAP module, you have various request sets sitting here. And what is a request set? Let's give you some official definition. So you can see here, F&D request set stores information about report sets. Each row includes the name of the report set, which is your request set name, whether the reports within the set can run simultaneously or in sequence, basically in parallel. If the flag is request set type flag is set to P, that means all the reports which are assigned to the request set can run in parallel. If the flag is S and a report set has 10 reports, they have to be run in sequence. And when you define the request set as Apps DBA or as a developer who is submitting that or doing this creation of this object, you can specify the sequence. So sequence 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, they have different reports, and this whole thing is assigned to a set. So what happens is when you run the request set, all the reports within this will run. Will they run in parallel, all of them at once, or in sequence? That means if the first one is finishing and it has success, it will move to second one. Finishes, success, next one. So it will keep running all 5 either in parallel or one after the other. So that is what this flag is going to tell you. And then there is a abort flag, which tells about what happens if you have a request which is running in the set and the request fails. What action do you need? You want to continue to run to the next reports, or you want that whole set to be aborted? And then there are other things in the table, owner of the report and whatnot, so request set name. So this report, we are going after the tables here, F&D request sets VL and F&D applications VL, which are views. So you can go to F&D request sets VL synonym or F&D request sets table directly. There are some columns which don't have in the tables. They have it. So we would like to join the views here. So we have F&D request sets VL and F&D application VL. Core tables are views. We are joining to get this information. You can add more data if you want to. So here, so allow constraint, start stage, and concurrent program ID, user set name, so all this basic information is present. So if you are supporting advanced supply chain planning, okay, these are the sets I will be playing with. Then you can open the set and then you can see what is there in these set, what reports are running, and then you can see which report is taking more time, and you want to trace that report using 10046 and do some Apps DBA activity later on. But this view is good to have an overall view of the environment. And as I said before, the data is coming from F&D request sets underscore VL view and F&D application VL view. So you can join these two tables if you want to write your own script. And this is what we are doing in this section.